Okay. Now, yesterday we have finished a vendor account group. So this is nothing but vendor account group, and this is BP grouping. So this part we have created, and then created number ranges, and then we linked in the assignment part. So same way here number ranges separate we created, but while creating BP grouping, it is default here. There's a field which we can assign directly number ranges. We did this, and then we have linked to each other like vendor account group to BP grouping. That is called as a master data synchronization under CV integration, customer vendor integration. Now after doing this, we have created BP. Under BP, you while creating this, you have a three different datas are there. One is called as a general data. Second is called as a company data. Third is called as a purchasing data. So that is nothing but you can call as a three different sections. So BP is nothing but you're maintaining is a vendor master data, vendor master data. But while creating vendor master data, you have a three sessions. That is one is for general data, second is for company code data, and third is a purchasing data. So if you look here, this general data, it is common for for finance and MM team. But whereas company code is only for finance data. And this is purchasing is nothing but for MM data. What is data it means? What is data? Data it is simple, you can say as information. Information. Okay. So in general data, what it comes? Common general information. So what information? Like you have address, name, phone. Okay. So these are the common data. Now, whereas in company code, you'll have related to the finance part like GL account, okay, which is called as a reconciliation account. Reconciliation account. So same way in purchasing, you'll have a purchasing related data. Okay. So order related information. So all you maintain in the purchasing. So these three segments you can call as a either sections or segments or data also. Okay, so it's all same names. Just just for understanding, you can understand as a three different types of data it is. Now, yesterday we have tried this, but while assigning to company code, reconciliation account was missing. Why? I'll show you why it is. So BP. BP. Oh, it is taking some time. Okay, before it start, we'll just go for configuration. Okay, so this is our BP vendor, Samsung vendor. So these are the information we have provided. If you look in address overview, there also you can find what is your our address, valid from and to. And if you go here, information further, if you want, you can fill here control, payment information, status information. Okay, so if you want to archive, you can archive. If you want to block, you can check, click this. So these are the information, additional information. But whereas, and this segment, it is called as a general segment. You can see as a general segment. Okay, 000 stands for the general segment. Okay, you can see SAP general BP, and thus you have a three different segment. One is called as a company code, and third one is a purchasing organization. Okay, now go for purchase organization. So how to select? Go for FLV 00. So when you select, it will change to company code data. Okay, now it is showing as a company code data. Click on this company code. Now company code data it is showing here. If you look here, reconciliation account is there, sort key is there, all this information related to the vendor, related to company code, finance part. Okay, so it's all optional and based on the process it is. So as of now, just give the reconciliation account is a mandatory steps. Okay, so if you click here, reconciliation account is mandatory. So now, yesterday we have given as a some uh, dummy reconciliation account. The reason because this reconciliation account it was not in our company code. If you go for OBY6, not OBY6, FS00, FS00, I'll open in new screen. FS00. So if you see here in this company code, only you have one GL account. Okay, so there have somebody they have deleted or else they have changed something name. So because of that, it's showing only one reconciliation account. Now what we have to do, we have to go for our company code EC01 company code data, copy from 0001 and then give our company code. Let's try for ITCS only. Whether it will take or not, we'll see. Okay. Data already exists. Company code 1TC for the organization object. Do you want the or complete object? We'll say yes. only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same. Yes. The reference company code is already euro. So we want to change. Yes. Give as a currency INR. Customizing setting inconsistence. Let's take enter. Transport number and just company code already exists. Current numbers in the target system is overwritten by the transport. Do you want to transport number and just say XSS? Yes. Clicking on no. I think we have to cancel this number and just ensure that only the intervals and groups test. Let's cancel this now. Number ranges. It's not taking yes, no. Okay. Now if you see here with errors, it's showing tick okay. Now it is showing as a copied to one TCS. Now go back, go to um, OX15, which is nothing but a company code, infrastructure, definition, financial accounting, company code, edit company code will check. Okay. See here it is somebody is open with uh, the same company code data table. So it is showing is logged by this user. So now in this situation, what we have to do, we have to click no. And if you want to go delete, if you want to create it, go for new entry, new screen, give SM12, give SM12, and you can give a star if you want to search all this username. Okay, so different users are using it. Delete, select it and delete it. Now come this, click. So now it is accessible. Now it is showing in the change mode. Go to position 1 TCS, open. Now if you open, everything is remain same thing. Now let's check for the GL accounts. FS00 1 TCS. No, it is not copied. No, it is not copied. Because it is existing one, no? So that's the reason it is not copied. It is okay. Now what we'll do? We'll go for the company code. We'll delete here from here. No customizing data can yet exist for the company code data. Enter, save. Go for here. Account group, select here. See in account in 0001 there is a list of GL accounts are there, but whereas in 1710 it is all deleted somebody. So that's the reason in the company code in it's not copied. Okay, so it is not showing an 1 TCS in now our company code. Go back, go back. Now go to change, delete, check company code. Copy the data again. Copy, same thing. Enter, enter, enter. See if you look here down, you can say it's 78% of the tables copied. So 97% is copied. So this means there's a backend the tables are copying it. Yes, copied. Now let's check for assign the company code. Again, it is showing the data is copied some locker. Go for Let's go for edit company code data. Check here. 1 TCS. Yes, now it is showing 1 TCS. Vimta Labs. Now you can go for edit. You can change for your group name. Tata Steel TCS of Tata Group. CP IN language English. English. Additional tab. Sector. Give something as a postal code. Save it. Okay. So now we'll go and check for whether it is assigned or not. Okay. Now we'll check for it is not assigned here. Assigning one data and save it. So all assignment again we have to do it because now it is after deleting it will be deleted from assignment also. So wherever we assign this company code, you have to go and reassign it. This yes, is not there. So you go here, assign the plant. Already assigned to TCS. It's there. Okay, it's already assigned here in the plant. Material master. Yes, here also it's there. Now check for FS00 1. Yes. Yes, it is all copied. If you look here in our company code, it's all there now. Right? Clear? Clear? Why we have did reconciliation account? Copied. Now if you go for this BP, now it was not showing it, right? Now if you go for change, now if you go for change, now if you select here, we'll go back and income. Go back. execute, change, delete this, open. Now you can see the list of GL accounts. Okay. So now in this, if you look here, down payment when made reconciliation account for domestic, foreign, different type of vendors. Now you can select as a 160000. This is the correct GL account which has to be linked with the BP. Okay, assign this reconciliation account. So once it's assigned, save this. Okay, now if you look here, supply number also is generated. Save this now. You remember from where it is got number range. Both you clear number range from where you got this number, supply number range and this BP number range. You remember we created a your number ranges. If you look here under financial accounting, account receivable and accounts payable, supplier, master data, preparations, and then assign number ranges. Right? We created here number ranges. If you go here, create number ranges for vendor account, go to change or display. What is our number range? Anyone can tell? 1N. Very good. Go for 1N. So if you look here, so this is the number ranges it's showing. Previously it was showing 0, right? Now it is 2000100501, which is starting number. So this is what the system generated. Okay. Now if you look here, this number is generated supplier. Okay. So same way. Now if you look for number ranges from the BP point of view, if you go for cross applications, SAP business partner, basic settings, number ranges and grouping, define number ranges. Here if you look, here also we give as a 1N. So this 1N, it is the number range of BP. If you look here, 1000701. Okay. So that's the reason the status is showing as a current number range. Now if you go for second vendor, then it will generate as a 7102. Okay. Now one more thing here. Yes, 701 is here, but here it is showing 710. Okay, I'll tell you why it is. The reason somebody has used it previously. Like if you see here, the lot of number ranges keep changing here numbers. Okay, they've used it till 709 in the system. So now system will check this number is available or not. If it is not available, then this number will pick it. And but why it is not showing in this number range intervals here? Might be somebody has deleted. So they have created and after that they deleted. Now example, if I delete this number range, it get deleted. So next time if you create, it will create it from 710, but while creating the vendor, that time will be created not from 710, it will be created from 711. Okay. The reason it is If the system is already created, then this will skip it. Okay, that's the reason it is showing as a, see, 701 it is created now here, but 710 it is generated document will shows here. Okay, now it is 7101. If you create next document, it should be 710 or 711. If you want, you can create and I'll show you next time. Tomorrow we'll see this.
Just one question, sir.
Yeah, it will disconnect. It will disconnect. Wait, it will disconnect.